So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. And now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in Microsoft Store. Now you want to click on app settings. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you want to click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been reset, we can now close out this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in wsreset.exe. Click on it. It's now going to reset the Microsoft Store cache. And now once that's been done, you can now try to download gaming services again. Hopefully this will now fix your problem. If not, then just restart your computer and this should now fix your problem. You could also go to the link which will be down below in the description to download gaming services. You can try that as well.